What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a fidget toy. Not a fidget spinner, but a fidget toy. You will need 6 marbles, a balloon, and some soap. First, you need to get the balloon, put the soap in there, and spray it 1 time. And that will help get the marbles inside. But first you want to put all the soap inside, mix it in there a little bit. Then you get each marble, and then you put each marble inside. Okay, now you want to squirt out all the air. Squirt out all the air that you can, and then tie a knot. Try to tie it at the very top, and then you're gonna squeeze all the air out again and tie another knot. Okay, so once you have a knot, you're going to cut this off. Okay, so you're going to cut this off with the scissors. Cut it off a little bit long, so you can see right there. And then this is garbage. So now you have a fidget toy. So you just move the little balls around the balloon. It looks like this. You can just keep fidgeting with it. So that's it. A fidget toy that you can make in under 5 minutes. So if you want to make a better version, you're gonna need about 12 small marbles. You don't have to have 12. It can be 10, 13, just anywhere around 12. And then you get another balloon. So you're gonna need the balloon, and then you're gonna put the soap in like last time, and you squirt it 3 times. And then don't let any of the soap get out, and then squeeze it in there. And then let out all the air. And then now you put each marble inside. And you remember, these are our small marbles. So once you're done putting all the marbles inside, you're going to take out all the air again, but you're going to leave a little bit of air. And then you're going to tie a knot. This time not at the top. Try to tie it at the bottom. So once you have that knot tied, you're going to leave a little piece like on the other one. So now this is another fidget toy. I like this one better because it has more room for the marbles to move. and like you can like squeeze it. It's like a stress ball. So that's it. This is another fidget toy that you can make in under 5 minutes. Mom, what if we record the fidget spinner in slow motion? What if we record this in slow motion? Ooh, woo, 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 woo.